We are live. My name is David, and today is the 23rd of February, 2011. And I want to document quickly how I arrived at, where are we? These questions. And I think either the second or the third will be my preliminary research question, the latest iteration of that research question. Let me go through this process. First, I've read broadly, and I was reading a lot of literature, and at the end of reading all this literature and understanding where there were gaps, I formulated research questions. And where can I find those research questions? So this is my literature review, and I posed some questions. Where are they? Here they are. This isn't actually the original iteration, but this is where how I developed the first iteration, by reading literature and basically rewording some previous literature's research questions to fit my own research context. And then, in a later iteration, where is it? I took a different approach and developed an outline, a purpose first, and then after developing these purposes, which include literature gaps, I formulated another set of questions. That was the second iteration. Then I began reading Robert Stake's The Art of Case Study, and his other book, Qualitative Research. And I started considering not only the question and the place of research, but also the methodology. And so I developed, based on that reading, and also after reading some additional literature, some more research questions, and there are many research questions here. And I developed several issues with research questions, and then information questions, more narrow questions that I can answer within my case study research. Nonetheless, I still need one question, and that's the trouble. I have so many questions. Some are broad, some are narrow, but I just need the question that's just right, the question that, the overarching question that encompasses all of these ideas. And so I was reading someone else's dissertation, and I was reading on the web about research questions using case study methodology. And I also developed a word cloud. If I can just put it here. Ooh, it's not here. I developed this word cloud. And I actually put that last iteration of research questions into this word cloud so I can see which words I used often. I see practice, teacher, school, emergent, ICT, diffusion, innovation, innovative support mechanisms, orientation. So these are the big words that I'm using in my questions. These are the big words in my mind. So I went back to this, and with that word cloud in mind, and after reading another dissertation which used case study methodology, I decided, okay, well, I should have a how question or a why question, and let's see if the case study can answer this. How can a teacher best support a school for emergent practice of ICT? So we can see that this question uses those words in my word cloud. Or how can a teacher best